Instagram now offers a feature called Your Algorithm that allows you to personalize the content in your feed. If you'd like to customize your own, to begin, you need to make sure that your Instagram is up to date, launch it, and log into your specific account. Then, after open your profile, tap on the three lines in the top right corner. This will open your settings and activities section. From here, scroll all the way down and select content preferences, that is between muted accounts and like and share accounts. Go ahead and select it. Now select your algorithm from the top. Here you'll find a summary of topics Instagram believes that you're interested in based on your recent activity. In the what you want to see more of section, you can tap on a topic that you want to view your post related to it and move it to the see less category if you prefer to see the less of that content. You can also completely remove an interest if you do not want to see it in your feed at all. To add new topics, you can select the add option, then type in your new interest and set it. And you can repeat this process to add more topics. And once you made your changes, refresh your Instagram feed and it should be better tailored to your interest. So that's all there is to customizing your Instagram algorithm. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.